Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to talk in detail about the Toshiba portable air conditioner model number RAC-PD0811CRU. This one is portable air conditioner. I have made a video last year how to set up for first time. We talk about most of the stuff. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in description so you can watch. But in this video, I'm going to review after a year. If you try to buy this kind of a portable air conditioner, you have to watch this full video until end so you can decide if you want to buy or not. Because this one is not cheap. It's about like $350 to $400. Before you spend that much money, watch my video so you will decide. Then you're not gonna regret like why you spend that much money. So I will bring my camera closer. I will show you a little bit how that AC look like. We'll talk a little bit, then we will talk about good stuff and bad stuff, because within a year I have found a lot of stuff good about it, a lot of bad about it. Some people like, some people don't like, so you can decide if you want to buy or not. Now let's start. I'm going to bring my camera closer, then we will start talking about it. This air conditioner is a portable air conditioner. It's not a window, but you can install a window like exhaust fan. You can throw out the window, no matter if it's vertical or horizontal. This portable air conditioner is really easy to install, just quick. You can install in a 5 minutes. It comes with everything you need to install. Cost is $350 to $400. This size for 250 square feet, 8,000 BTU or 6,000 BTU. This one is 3-in-1. If you have a lot of moisture, then it will also dry your air. So it's air conditioner plus it's making room dry. So it also act like a cooler. So you can move this AC one room to other room just in 5 minutes. That's the best thing, because this comes with the wheels underneath. If you pull, it will just drag. To install, you can leave it anywhere on the shelf. If you look at the back side, we have just a hot air out. That's all you have to install. You also have a drain. And last summer, I drained it just 1 or 2 times. If you're using as a moisture to dry, then probably you have to install this drain permanently. But I just drained this. I removed this cap and 2 or 3 times last summer. And this one comes with the LCD remote control. You get the remote, you get the drain pipe, you got this one extendable window installation kit. You can extend. This will fit to 18-inch to 48-inch window. You just exhaust hose goes here. It goes extendable, expandable exhaust hose, 2 connectors. It also comes with this foam. You have to put side of the window so you don't lose any air. So now let's come back to the AC back again. That I'm not sure if I talk about. We have a cost is $350 to $400. Really easy to install, but I have found something wrong that's really important. Probably you guys need to know about it. I installed last summer in my kitchen, which one was like 11 by 10, so 110 square feet. So this one is for 250 square feet. It worked pretty much really good, no problem. But the thing was like that, if you look to a cold air comes through here, it suck air from here, from the side, there's the filters, and bring air over here. But it exhausting too much hot air from the back side. So basically it taking air from the room and throwing outside, which one is creating vacuum in your room. It was creating vacuum in my kitchen. So if I have a door or window closed, I have this AC running for 30 to 40 minutes, then I'm not able to open my doors or windows because it sucks really good. So bad part about that one, if I open door, then hot air from outside, like from out environment, it's getting hot air in and cooling my room. Then it throw a lot of air outside. Which one I have a window AC in my office at my work, and they work really good. I didn't see that much vacuum in my room, but I really personally didn't use here, so I used this one. So far it worked perfect. It cools, you turn on, you stay close to it, it works like it gives you cool air. But the bad part about it is throwing a lot of air outside. So less air comes to the cooling side, but double the amount of air it throws through the exhaust, which one is creating vacuum in your room. And your room, if it's small, then it's sucking air from outside, which one is hot air in summer, then your AC working hard. So this one never reached to the set point, which one my set point mostly 76, 78. This AC work hard to keep it up. So which one I say it's not that efficient. The one is the other and window. So if it's circulating air, sucking air from the outside, make it hot, throw outside, little less cool air comes through. So for my point of view, this AC not good for small room. It would probably be good in your big house. Inside the house, if you living in a living area or something, like just use as you sitting, and when you're done, you just shut off. So I believe I have answered most of the question. About there was a question about the drain, what it comes with, and the last part I found bad about it is making vacuum. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.